Hello, my friends. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. My name is Ellen. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my Southern Kitchen, the 401 episode and the 6th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2020. Today I'm going to share with all of you a Dutch apple pie. And the Dutch apple pie is different than the original. It has a crumble topping on top that is out of this world delicious. And it is thebomb.com. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. And also it does be a great dessert to serve at your Thanksgiving table instead of having the traditional apple pie. Everybody's going to fall in love and enjoy this pie. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my apples recipes playlist and my previous video, salted caramel baked apple hand pies. I'll post link to both of those down below in the description box. So grab your flour, your brown sugar, your pie crust, and your basket sugar, because we're about to go do some apple picking and bake some Dutch apple pie magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make the crumble topping. In my bowl, I have a half a cup of pat light brown sugar. In the 2-hour brown sugar, we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/8 of a teaspoon, which is a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted. And we're going to stir all these ingredients together until it's well incorporated. Alright, my friends, this is what our crumble topping look like. Alright, that looks great. So now we're going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a few minutes. Alright, my friends, over here I have my pie crust. I'm using a 9-inch, and I'm just using a refrigerated pie crust, but I have a homemade pie crust, or you can use a refrigerated pie crust. And I greased the pan with butter. So now I added some foil on top, and I added some dry pinto beans, or you can use rice. And we're going to pre-bake it in a preheated 400-degree oven for 15 minutes. Alright, my friends, I have taken the pie out of the oven. So now we're going to remove the foil and the beans. So now we're going to use a fork, and we're going to prick it about 10 times. So now we're going to put it back in the oven and let it continue baking for about 8 to 12 minutes. Alright, my friends, I'm through pre-baking the pie crust. So now we're going to let it cool completely. And while that's cooling, we can get started on our apple pie filling. Over here, I have 8 small apples that I washed. I'm using Granny Smith, or you can use Golden Delicious, Gala, Macintosh, whatever your heart desires. We're going to peel them, core them, and slice them. Alright, I got my apple slices into the bowl. Now it's time to add in the other ingredients. Into our apples, we're going to add in a half a cup of white sugar, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that I melted, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a half a teaspoon of my homemade apple pie spice. I'll post link to that recipe down below in the description box. And all we do is stir everything together until it's well incorporated. It will create a glaze. Alright, as soon as I get through stirring the apples, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up the apple filling. It smells amazing. Love the smell of apple pie spices. Now we're ready to assemble the pie. Like mama's apple pie. So sweet, sweet, sweet. Every time I make apple pie, I sing that song. I love it. Just spoon them right on top. And now we're going to lay some on top. Alright, my friends, I got all my apples into the pie crust and I poured the rest of the juice. So now we're going to sprinkle the crumble topping that we made earlier and I crumble into small pieces right on top. Like so. It's going to be amazing. Alrighty, now we're ready to put this Dutch apple pie in the oven. And I reduced the temperature from 400 to 350. We're going to bake it for about 45 to 55 minutes. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Dutch apple pie. OMG, it smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. And look at the crumble topping, nice and golden brown. Look at those apples. Ain't nothing like the smell of freshly baked apple pie. Alright, so now we're going to let the pie cool completely on a wire rack. And then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate. And of course, you can't have apple pie without vanilla ice cream. Nothing like apple pie a la mode. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Apples is tender and flavorful. And I love that crunch from the crumble topping. This Dutch apple pie is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This is our vanilla button. Grab me a little ice cream. Oh, I'm in heaven. Dutch apple pie-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And also hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.